Hi, thank you for watching the video review again from my mobile911.com. This time, I'd like to follow up with my HTC Diamond review video. And I would like to show you the interface of the HTC Diamond. So as you can see right now, this is the homepage of the HTC Diamond screen. It is using the Windows Mobile 6.0 version. It's not a 6.1 yet, it's still 6.0. And this is a home screen. It's very similar to some of the smartphones like the T-Mobile Shadow. It has a customized screen on it. What they call is the Touch Flow 3D. You show the date, the time, the date. You have two shortcuts right here: the call history, calendar, and these are the menu buttons. Okay, this one is the home. You can either tap on the next one or do a scroll. Okay, this is the people, what it calls the people, which is the speed dial. So you can add your favorite people, and then you can come to this menu, and then you can do a quick call. And then messages, including the text message, all the text message, MMS. Mail, so it will include all the emails that you set up. Internet, so it's a launch browser. YouTube, the photos and videos. So this one, actually, if you go up, it's more like the iPhone. You slide it up, it will show you the pictures, and then on the right side you have the camera icon and the video icon. So when you press the camera icon, so that it will start loading the camera, which set it horizontally. Alright. Okay, and then after that is the music tab. The music tab, it has like some albums in here. It's very similar to the iPhone. You can tap it, slide the screen, and then you will see the next song with the album cover on it. And then the next one is the weather. And then this is the setting menu. Right now on the menu, it will show you some of the settings that you can change, like the sound, the ringtone, vibration mode system, the wallpaper, the communications manager, the data, the how to download the weather. And then just like similar to the smartphones, it has all settings right here. So when you tap on the all setting, it will start loading. It goes back to the regular Windows Mobile menu setting, and then it has the personal system connection tab, just like the regular Windows Mobile 6 Professionals. Okay, one more over is a shortcut for the programs. Alright, right now by default it set up the YouTube right here. You can always add some of the software shortcuts on here. You can remove it. It's very similar to the HTC Home right now on the TYTN2, the Titan 2. Again, same thing, similar things, like there's an all program on the left bottom corner. Tap on it, it will have a launch program list. So it's very similar to the quick launch on the Titan 2. It has active sync, the Adobe flashlights, Adobe Reader LE, album, audio booster, Bluetooth, something like that. So if you go back to the screen, and then the next one is going back to the home. Okay, and right now let me show you the system. Let us take a look at the device information. Alright, it got the latest ROM. The ROM date actually is in the May 25th, 2008. The latest one that on the market right now. The CPU, which is using the Qualcomm 7201A, is a new CPU. It's not a 7200, it's the 7201A. The speed is a little bit faster. It's a 528 megahertz processor. You got a RAM size of 192 megabytes. The flash size is a 256 megabyte. It got an internal storage of 4 gigabyte of internal storage. So you can put your GPS map, like if you have a TomTom, you can put the whole US map into the internal storage, which is about like 950 megabytes. So the rest you still have like 3 megabytes. I mean 3 gigabyte of memory size that you can put your song, your video, anything that you want in the internal storage. Data bus 32 bits. And then it got a storage size right now is the 82.94 megabytes. So actually you don't need to really care about right now because you get a 4 gigabyte of internal storage. Display resolution. This is a VGA mon. This is a VGA screen. So that's the resolution is a little bit different. It's 480 by 640. You got a 65K colors. Bluetooth version 2.0. Alright. The Touch Diamond P is the P3700. Okay, and this is a new one, so you don't see any incoming or outgoing calls so far. Alright. Yeah, on this one I don't have any software that can show you the GPS setting, because this one got a built-in GPS hardware on it. So like let's say if you want to do the navigation, you can just install a TomTom, or maybe as easy as like you can use the Windows Live to look for the places that you want to go. Let's see. Yeah, I got a Windows Live right here, so you can use this, or maybe you can use the Google Map, you know, for mobile. All right. On the program, you see the Adobe, the Reader, the Album, the Audio Booster, Call Manager. You got an FM radio, Internet sharing, Java band, JBand, the MP3 trimmer. Quick GPS, which actually download the latest GPS information for a faster fix of the GPS navigation. Streaming media, voice command, YouTube, and a built-in zip as well. Okay, and the game, it has the bubble breaker, and the new one is called the Teeter, which is a game that test your balance. This, like for the HTC Touch Diamond, it got a new feature. It's very similar to the iPhone. It got a G sensor on it, so it won't, like on this mode, it won't do the rotation by itself. But one of the cool features is that when you're in a meeting or something, you want your phone to be like on silence. You don't need to do anything. What you need to do, just turn it upside down. That's it. It will turn into silence mode. Alright, and also the G sensor can sense like just like the Wemo, you can sense like how's the orientation of the phone. Alright, so this is the HTC Touch Diamond with new interface. I believe that you can visit the HTC site to watch the official video for some more demonstrations. Here's the demonstration from my mobile911.com, and I'll go ahead and do some benchmark testing and show it on my website, and you can compare with the AT&T Tilt, or maybe like the 6800, something like that. So stay tuned and visit my mobile911.com. Thank you.